Hi everyone, I'm Ray and welcome to my kitchen. And today we are going to make a delicious stuffed chicken breast. And what is gonna make this so delicious is that we are gonna stuff it with sun-dried tomatoes, spinach, and homemade pesto. It's gonna be so good. So if you haven't watched my chicken soup recipe, I am making this recipe with the same kind of chicken. It's from Mary's Farms, and I call it chicken with a conscience. This chicken is no GMO, all organic, and it also has what's called a certified humane designation, meaning that the chicken was not crammed in a big food warehouse farm with 100,000 other chickens. This chicken actually got to go outside and get some sunlight and peck in the dirt and, dust bathe and spread its wings and all the things that chickens do. So I actually think all of that makes this chicken taste better. So we are going to use the Mary's Farms organic certified humane chicken for this recipe. And then we're also going to use my homemade pesto. So if you haven't seen my pesto recipe, I'll go ahead and put a link down below for that one. And you can jump right to it and you'll get the recipe. And it's so easy to make this pesto. All healthy, all good ingredients, protein, omega-3s, just good stuff. So nothing artificial about it. Okay, so we are going to start by filleting this breast. And what we're going to do is I like to just kind of press down on the breast, but I like to insert my knife. I've got a very sharp knife here. And I'm gonna just insert the knife and I'm gonna cut it, not all the way through because we're going to do what's called butterflying. So we're going to leave part of it attached there. And so I'm just gonna get my knife in there and get a good cut on it. And then we're gonna flip it open. Yes, beautiful. So now we have a butterfly breast. Now I am gonna cut it just a hint there so it lays a little bit flatter. And now we are ready to stuff this chicken. Now I'm going to do a very little sprinkle of salt and also a little sprinkle of pepper inside the breast. And then we are going to start layering. And what we're going to use is just the pesto. We're going to use some organic spinach and we're going to use some organic sun-dried tomatoes. And this is going to be delicious. It's not going to take too much spinach. Each piece of chicken is going to get, maybe 3 or 4 of these baby spinach leaves, just enough to coat it. So we've got that going in first. Yep. That's gonna be perfect. And then we're gonna add some pesto, and I'm just gonna do a healthy scoop of pesto to go inside. And I'm gonna make sure that every bite is gonna get a bite of pesto when this chicken gets bitten into. So we're gonna spread it around a little bit. Okay, and then we're gonna layer in the sun-dried tomatoes. Now, these sun-dried tomatoes, these are not packed in an oil or anything. These sun-dried tomatoes come dry in a package. I buy them at Natural Grocers. I think I've showed them to you before. And I've reconstituted them in a little bit of hot water. They've been sitting for about 30 minutes, so they're actually ready to go into this dish. And I'm gonna top off a little bit more spinach on this guy. And then we are gonna be ready to flip this over. Yep, nice, oops. And we wanna make sure everything stays inside. So what we're going to do is we're going to tie it. Each piece of chicken is probably gonna take 3 pieces of string to tie it all together. And so I'm going to slide the string underneath, and then we're just going to tie it in a knot to hold it all together. Like so. And we're gonna do that again in the center. I wanna get kind of a longer piece, I think. Yeah, this piece will be better for that. So we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna come from this end. And I'm gonna scooch that to the center of the chicken. And again, I'm gonna tie it. And then one smaller piece for the tail end here. tie it in a knot. And then right before we serve it, we're just gonna cut these off, so it's not gonna be an issue at all. Okay, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of seasoning on top of this. This particular seasoning it's just a little blend that I made. It's a little bit of garlic powder, it's a little bit of onion powder, it's a little bit of parsley. There's a hint of salt, not too much, because we put a little on the inside, as you know. We're just gonna pat that in, and then we're gonna flip it over, and we're gonna do the same thing on this side of the chicken. And we're just gonna put a little bit of seasoning on there. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the other two here. I've already got them butterflied, so I'll go ahead and stuff them, and then we will put them in the oven. I've got all 3 chicken breasts stuffed and ready to go into the oven. I've tied each one with 3 strings. So these are gonna go into a 350-degree oven, and it's preheated now. So I'm gonna pop them in for 20 minutes, and then we'll check them and we'll see how they look after 20 minutes, and we'll see you back here for a taste. We took our beautiful chicken out of the oven, and it is time to have a taste. Wow, that is so good. What's really coming through is the pesto. It's delicious. It's got a cheesy flavor because we added nutritional yeast and a little Parmesan cheese. Again, I'll put the link in the show notes below so you can get the pesto recipe. The basil is beautiful in it, and the garlic is coming through, all very nice. I'm also getting a little bit of sweetness from the sun-dried tomato, which is super nice in this combination as well. So not much of a meat eater, but I have to say, this actually is pretty tasty. I mean, everything in this recipe is delicious and healthy. I hope you're gonna try this recipe. It's really good. Bon appetit.